Hello friends, myself Miss Neil Azari and this is my first video on YouTube channel. So if you like this video, so please give a like for this video and share with your friend, and of course do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. So in this video we are talking about restriction enzymes. So first of all, if you have studied the molecular biology or DNA technology, or also if you are a medical student, so this concept or this term is very important for you. So please listen carefully. So let's talk about our topic. So first of all, what is restriction enzyme? So it is a type of enzyme. If you look at this name, so it is a type of enzyme, and these enzymes are having a speciality, and this speciality it is denoted by term restriction. It means that these enzymes are having a restriction. Then what kind of restriction? Restriction for cleavage. Okay. So as you know that the enzymes are alerted to catalyze a different type of reaction in our body, isn't it? So as you again know that in our body there are presented RNA sequences and also DNA sequences, right? So but the restriction enzymes are those types of enzymes who can simply act as an endonucleases. What type of nucleases? Endonucleases. Now remember the term endonucleases. First of all, I write the term endonucleases on the blackboard. The term endonucleases. Right. Now in your mind the question arises that the what is endonucleases and what kind of properties or what is the functions of endonucleases. So it is a nuclease. Endonuclease means that it is a type of enzyme. It is a simple type of enzyme, and these enzymes are used to cut the DNA sequences. These enzymes are used to cut the DNA sequences. For example, this is our DNA sequence, right? This is our DNA sequences, right? I draw here like a schematical form. So if you consider as, or this is our DNA interest, or this is our DNA, right? Okay. So whenever these endonucleases are used on this DNA, so what it will be do? Minimize again. These endonucleases are used on this DNA sequences, then what it will be do? So it will be break or DNA sequences somewhere in the middle region, Minimize again. These endonucleases, whenever these endonucleases are used on this DNA, so it will be getting broken. It means it will be cut the DNA sequences somewhere in the middle, and they can, and after breaking they can generate like these things, like these things, like these things. It means that I will explain again like a simple language. This is our DNA sequence. This is the 5 prime, this is the 3 prime, and this is the 3 prime, this is the 5 prime. These endonucleases who can simply act on these DNA sequences, and they can generate like these things. It means that these endonucleases cut the DNA sequences somewhere in the middle. They cannot cut the DNA either from this end or either from this end. These endonucleases cut the DNA sequences only and only and only the middle region. They cannot cut the DNA either from this end or either from this end. They only cut the DNA at the middle region. Do you got it? What I say about? I am making like these things, like small fragments. Do you got it? What I say about? And again, minimize, or again I suggested the term endo. It means that these enzymes are used to broken a phosphodiester bond, and these phosphodiester bond are present in between this nucleotide sequence. Getting what you like suppose this ladder, in this ladder, if you consider as the ladder. So in this two portion, these two portions are made up of the phosphodiester bond or phosphodiester linkage, and this linkage is broken down by the use the nucleases enzyme, that is the endonucleases. ASE means, as you know that ASE term we use for the denoted by term enzymes, and we can simply call as the endonucleases. So and this is the job of the endonucleases. It means that these enzymes are used to cut the DNA sequences. It means that the restriction enzymes are used to cut the DNA sequences or foreign DNA sequences. Do you got it what I said about? I will again explain you like briefly. Suppose this is our bacterial cell. I will write here on blackboard. This is our bacterial cell. Okay. So this bacterial cell, it having its own genome. It's having its own genome. This is the genome of bacterial cell. Okay. This bacterial cell is all is good, but whenever this bacterial cell, one day this bacterial cell is infected from the bacteriophage. As you know that the bacteriophage are the killing agent of the bacterial cells. Do you got it? The bacteriophage are the killing agent of the bacterial cell. So one day these bacterial cells are infected to this bacteriophage. This is the phage, and this phage is having its own genome. Okay, genome. Okay, and in this bacterial cell there are present the restriction enzyme. As you know that this is the restriction enzyme. This is the restriction enzyme. Now listen carefully. Whenever this bacteriophage or whenever this bacterial cell was infected, this bacteriophage, they what it will be do? The restriction enzyme. As you know that the restriction enzyme cut the foreign DNA. It means that whenever this bacterial cell was infected or this bacterial cell, it means that this restriction enzyme cut this phage DNA. Whenever the bacterial cell was infected bacteriophage, then they recognize the bacterial cell phage DNA, and they recognize this DNA and they cut the DNA sequence like small fragments. This is restriction enzyme. Okay. So in your mind the question arises that how the restriction enzyme they recognize a particular sequences. It means that the restriction enzymes are having a ability to cut the DNA sequences. It means that this restriction enzyme cut only the double stranded DNA. They cut only the double stranded DNA. They do not cut the single stranded DNA. And this is the first property about the restriction enzyme. Now second is they recognize only the palindromic sequence and they can cut. Now the again question arises that what is the palindromic sequence? It means that, for example, the sequence like MADAM. This is one type of sequence. Then what is the palindromic sequence? Whenever we read this sequence either from this direction and either from this direction, the sequence will be reading same. It means that whenever we read MADAM for this direction and again I read backward direction MADAM, the sequence will be same, and these types of sequence we call as a palindromic sequence, and these palindromic sequence are cut only the restriction enzyme. It means that the restriction enzymes are having a ability to cut the palindromic sequences, right? And this is some properties about the restriction enzymes. So in the next lecture we are talking about the nomenclature of the restriction enzymes or some type of restriction enzyme.